Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Kumudini and we'll be journaling together using the supplies from my subscription boxes. So get your supplies and let's go ahead.
To begin with, I've chosen these three things. We'll see if we need anything else, and of course, like I always begin tearing a paper and then pasting it somewhere, just roughening up the edges as well, if roughening is a word indeed. So once we have pasted this, then I'll paste the sticker of the cup just for the aesthetics. I mean, there isn't anything in particular in my mind that I want to convey or I have in mind. I'm just going random. Next, I'll take these washi tapes and put them both sideways. Again, nothing in mind. I'm just saying that these two look good together because they're green and just doing the swatches. So now another thing that I'll do, this is the first time I'll be trying this. I'll just be writing randomly on the paper wherever I want, whichever corner I want to write on, just so that I know, okay, my text is placed into one place and now whatever else I do, I have to do around it. I'm choosing the corners right now, but if you want, you can also write somewhere in between, squares, circles, whichever shape you want, you can take with that. Next, I'm taking this paper just to maintain a balance on both the sides. So, and of course, because this paper was left, and of course the remaining part also I'll be using later. So just cutting the doily and pasting it on the left page, because green thing is something that I'm maintaining right now. You'll see what I do ahead. So I was just trying to place this doily to see if it looks good, but somehow I don't think it's making much sense because it's looking very weird together. So I've taken another green paper because that's the palette I'm following. So another shade of green, pasting here, and then the sticker. That was a part of the subscription box.
Stop right here. Whatever I'm doing, don't continue with this step because I literally created a blunder by mixing another color while my theme was just simple. So just go ahead with the color that you were using. In my case, of course, it was green. So maybe just pick up green now. Carry on.
That warning was for you. I will, however, go with the pink one. The reason I picked up pink was because it was a part of the cup. Next, I'm taking black because it was a design in the cup itself. Although till here it's looking very nice, the pink is not popping up, the black is sort of mixing up with whatever I'm doing next. But I just wanted that if pink is in the sticker, let me do it here also. So I just went with it, and I have already warned you, it didn't turn out very nice. But one thing is, in journaling, once you have begun, there is no point turning back or regretting or leaving it there itself. So I always make sure that whatever I have picked up, I would try to finish it up. Even if it doesn't turn out well, I don't have to put it in an exhibition. That's my theory of going ahead with things. So once this page is done, I'll go to the second one, write some text. I could not think of anything else to fill up here. Of course, doodles was one thing, but then there are already doodles on the left page, so why go with it again? So just simple random thing that came to my mind, I just went ahead with it, and I'll be just darkening it up. Oh god, that fly. So just making it thicker so that it pops out, nothing else. If you want to use brush pens here, you can do that. If you're good at painting, you can do that also. You can in fact paint some illustrations if you are good with it, or simply just take another doily paper, paste it here, do some other layering around it, and that would also look good. I mean, there is a lot of ideas that you can use to fill up any space in your journal. You don't have to stick to just one or two or three things that you have seen. Keep experimenting. And even this pink didn't turn out very well. It's nowhere close to the palette that I was following. Maybe if I had a pastel pink, that would have still been better, but not this. So just to add some more dash of pink, I started drawing these dots, but even these didn't really rescue me from the blunder that I created. But anyhow, I sort of don't mind creating as long as I'm creating, and in fact I've even learned something. This is a lesson to not mix up things unnecessarily, especially if you think things are being unbalanced, or maybe just see first whether it's even required or not. Had I continued with green, it would have still looked better, or even black. Mixing black would have been fine, so that's okay.
Now you understand mixing pink wasn't a very good idea, but ultimately it was my journey. I enjoyed making it, and maybe I'll not put it somewhere out for display, but I enjoyed it, and that's what matters when you are journaling. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and let's meet again soon.